Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to look at how you reset or recalibrate your HVAC system, and the procedure we are going to use is applicable for many GM vehicles from the late 90s up to about 2013. So take a good look at the type of HVAC system I have. If yours is similar, then the same procedure might apply. So to begin with, I have opened up my fuse panel up front here, but I'll step inside first. And the first thing we will do is we are going to set the HVAC system to auto. So we press right there, put it on auto. It's already on auto, as you guys can see. Alright, once you do that, then you can turn off the vehicle, turn off the ignition, and then you come to underneath the hood and then look at the diagram for your fuses. What we are going to take out is going to be this fuse right here, the HVAC ECAS, the 10 amp fuse, which is directly above the 25 amp fuse for the rear wiper. So the fuse is going to be right here, this one right here. So we'll pull it out there. So once you pull the fuse out, you can wait for anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes. We'll just wait for a minute here and then put the fuse back in. So during the minute that we are waiting, the power to the system is going to, the whole HVAC module is going to power down. And then when we put the fuse, then we can repower the system and allow the HVAC system to relearn its parameters by itself. So go ahead, put the fuse back. We are assuming it's been a minute. I've already done the procedure for my vehicle. The same thing, which is equivalent to removing the fuse, is you can disconnect the battery in one of the terminals. Most likely, I would say the positive or negative. Disconnect for a minute and then you plug it back in. So once that is done, we are going to step inside, turn on the ignition, and let the vehicle idle for 2 minutes or thereabouts. And during that 2 minutes, don't touch any of the controls on the HVAC system. After the 2 minutes, it could be anywhere 2 to 3 minutes to 4 minutes. After that, we turn off the vehicle and we wait anywhere from 10 to not less than 10 seconds and not more than 30 seconds. And after that, we start the vehicle again, and then everything should have been recalibrated. So let's go ahead, turn on the vehicle. We don't touch anything. We allow the vehicle to idle for about 2 minutes. And during this time, it's learning, so it will go like to the maximum, minimum, open up the heat, open up the cold. So we don't touch anything. We let it do its thing. And this should be the procedure you do first before you go tearing into your dash, which is a very involved procedure. So after the 2 minutes, we turn off the ignition, wait not less than 10 seconds and not more than 30 seconds, and we are going to restart the vehicle. At that time, you can go ahead and mess with your controls. Alright, that should about do it. It might not be exactly 2 minutes for me, in my case. I don't have a problem right now with my HVAC system, it's fixed. but you have to wait about 2 minutes, so thereabout. So then I turn off the ignition, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, that's more than 10 seconds. Now we can start the vehicle, and everything should return to normal. If in case it's that your vehicle, the HVAC system was out of calibration. So now I can go ahead and mess with the system all I want, and it should work perfectly normally. All right, that's what I had to share with you guys. Thanks for joining me again. Let me go over the procedure. You first of all set the AC system to auto, turn off the ignition, pull the HVAC ECAS fuse for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, put the fuse back, start the vehicle, allow the vehicle to run for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, turn it off, wait not less than 10 seconds or more than 30 seconds, and then you start the vehicle again, and then everything should be back to normal. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.